And we're back. I thought I would make a quick video about a really cool tool I just found that lets you automatically schedule and post Instagram stories, including polls, mentions, and all the other stuff. So I've known about automatically scheduling stories for a while, but I've never found a tool that lets you schedule stories in advance for free and also lets you include polls. This is really crucial, and in my opinion, a game changer. So we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna show you the free tool and give you a quick tutorial. My name is Bobby, AKA the Influencer CEO, and this is the #1 channel for anybody looking to 10x their brand growth or grow on social media. So Monday, we got motivation videos. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, social media automation videos where I teach you how to grow your Instagram on autopilot. And then Friday, Saturday, more general social media videos where I go over my experience as an Instagram agency owner out here in Hollywood. With that being said, let's get right in this video where I'm going to show you a free tool that lets you automatically post Instagram stories to your Instagram in advance and also lets you use features like polls, mention, and location. Let's get right into it. All right, so here we are inside the free piece of software that lets you automatically upload, schedule, and post Instagram stories. It is called Storito, and I will leave a link to it below. Storito, like burrito, I think. I have no idea. But it is a really cool app, and you can see here it is free for a limited time only. So I think what it is it's free until you use it so many times or a limited basis. But regardless, it's free for you to check it out, and that link is below. So here it is, Storito, and once you set it up, it looks just like this. And to schedule and create your Instagram stories, it's super simple. All you do is you upload a file or whatever you want your picture to be. So simply, do it on your phone a couple of times and then, send it over to your computer, upload it right there, and then you have it right here. So here is a picture of my chatbot. And for those of you who don't know, my chatbot is my free resource. It's my give back to you to help you dominate Instagram. This thing updates you when Instagram's algorithm changes. It gives you all the up-to-date Instagram tips. So click below too if you want to join my chatbot. It is free. So here you go. This is the picture that I want to post. So what I'll do right here is I'll edit it. And then what I want to do is I want to add a poll. So you can do location, mention, all these things here. So I want to add a poll and I want to say, have you seen my chatbot? Boom, yes or no. You can also add emojis, all that fun stuff right there. Boom, and then you are good to go. And then you want to click save. And then what you want to do now is you want to go back to schedule, find that post, click it, and then you want to select the time that you want to either post it now from your computer, or you can choose to schedule it for however far into the future you want to. So let's say I want to schedule it for tomorrow, and it's military time here. So, schedule it for tomorrow at 3. All right, 3:23 p.m. Boom, schedule it, and we'll then schedule it and automatically post to my Instagram story. There you have it. It's that simple. So this site also has other really cool things that you can play around with. You can bulk schedule, so you can bulk do your stories, do them all on your phone, whip it out, and then do it here. You can also connect your Instagram accounts. You can connect multiple Instagram accounts. You can have a team. This is great for social media managers that want people to manage their social media stories, okay? And so there's a lot of really cool stuff. I recommend you play around with it, but there you go. There is the Storito, the tool, such a funny name. There is Storito, the Instagram story automatic posting tool, lets you schedule your Instagram stories in advance. So really quickly, I just want to go over why posting Instagram stories is so important, why scheduling out is so important. A lot of people don't know that every single time somebody clicks on your Instagram story, it increases the probability of the next time you create an Instagram post that they actually see that post. So it increases engagement tenfold. So by creating all of your Instagram stories at the end of the week or at the beginning of the week, and then scheduling out during the week and having them consistently planned, you're also increasing your engagement slowly by slowly. So there you have it. There's my tool for posting automatic scheduled posts to Instagram. It's called Storito. Check it out below. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel if you found this information at all useful, and comment I want in, and I'll send you the link to my chatbot, or you can just comment below, or you can just click the link in the bio. So that's it for today's video, guys. I'll see you guys next time.